Hey there, Goldwing riders. You might have heard there is a new update for Goldwing's 2018 Plus, a new 2023 software update for the navigation system. And just after posting the video, I'll be sure to put up in the comments or in the description, maybe both, where you need to go to get the update on the Honda website. Now, the first thing they'll do is they'll let you know that you need a 2.0 or greater flash drive. And if you're a Mac user like me, you're going to need an adapter to bridge the USB to USB-C. And it looks like the user experience folks at the website did a great job on explaining everything you need to know to get started. So first of all, if you get your USB flash drive, you're going to have to format it. Now, if you're a PC user, there's instructions. If you're a Mac user like me, you simply have to go to the application folder and then get into the utilities folder from there. Once you're in utilities, you want to get to the disk utilities. This is where you're going to do your formatting. On the left-hand side, just be sure to choose the right destination. In my case, it's this blank Memorex. I'm going to actually go in here and hit the erase button, which brings up a pop-up box where you're going to name it. I decided to name mine Software Update. So after you've named it, just before you hit that erase button, I'd like you to check one thing. Check the formatting. Because I'm on a Mac, I make sure that mine's on Mac OS Extended Journal. So take care of that, hit the erase button, and then you'll see a little pop-up button that's updating you on its name creation and formatting. So then you're going to go back over to the website. You might want to download the instructions, depending if you're Mac or PC. A little PDF will pop up that just, reaffirms everything you need and guides you through some of the steps. But I know some people don't like to read directions, especially if you're my husband. So I just wanted to let you know the next thing you do is you then do your download and you wait for the download to happen depending on the speed of your freaking internet. When it's done, you're going to move it from your download folder to your thumb drive. And that transfer might take a little bit of time too, depending on the speed of your computer. You could, in the meantime, go back and refer to some of the instructions just to get yourself ready for what you're about to do. Now, trust me, it's super, super easy. Let's get started with the next part, shall we? So go grab your fob and let's get the bike into ACC or accessory mode. We're going to be doing the update in this compartment as we don't have an airbag. But if you do have an airbag, you will actually be using the left side interior of your trunk where you're going to find the connector. But ours is right here in this compartment. You can see Mike reaching in there and pulling out the connector, and we're putting the USB right in there. Okay, then you're going to see a window pop up on the display asking if you want to do the update, and then you push that dial to the left, and voila! Now, depending on your region and the map updates, it might take a while, so we suggest leaving the fob maybe on your seat and then coming out every once in a while to check through the windows to make sure the update's going smoothly and nothing unexpected is happening. Now, throughout this process, you'll see a lot of lights flashing that I can say only rival the Tesla in celebration mode. I mean, come on, guys. If our Goldwings would only do this. But we'll get to celebrate soon enough ourselves as we follow the screen and see that the update is completing. So when the update is complete, the screen will go black, and then it'll go back to the loading Goldwing screen. It'll give you a little notice there. You don't even have to push OK. Navigation will start initializing, and you have reached the end of your 2023 software update. Yay! Congratulations. See you next time, Goldwingers. Bye-bye.